Are you tired of having followers that don't do anything, that kill your engagement rate? No one comments, no one likes anymore. No one even lets you know if your hair is messed up. Is my hair messed up? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you how to make active and engaged followers. Well, technically how to turn your followers into active followers or attract active followers. Well, whatever you take it, you're gonna get active followers after you follow these tips that I'm gonna share with you right now. Hello, Just Start gang. It's Shanique here from startwithnique.com, the home of the Just Start Mentorship program, helping you Christian women become an impactful and influential online entrepreneur, even when no one knows who you are. So if you are looking to make an income while being an impact, then be sure to subscribe to my channel because I teach you how to do that, and you can also follow me on Instagram. So you may have followers already, and if you don't have the desired amount of followers that you're looking for, then be sure to check out this video or this video, and I share with you how to increase your following. But in this video, I'm gonna help you get those followers active and engaged, because you can only turn active and engaged and a warm audience into a client. So if you want to know that, I'm gonna get right into this video right now, starting now. The first tip is know your audience. Done. Drops the mic. You need to know your audience. If you actually know the people that you are trying to attract or that are following you right now and engage with them, then you're going to know what content they like. Most people like to engage with things that they're interested in. And if you're posting a whole bunch of stuff that has nothing to do with their life or their wants or their desires or their beliefs, then you're going to have dead followers. How do you find out what your audience wants? My biggest tip is to look at accounts that are similar to you, accounts that sell similar products or similar services, and figure out what kind of comments are their followers saying, because initially you guys have the same audience, and if their followers are engaging with them, then there's something that you may be missing. Knowing your audience will prevent you from posting what you want and what you need and what you like. If you are trying to be impactful and influential, then you're going to want to know what inspires your audience, what makes them move, what sparks their interest. Because if you're only going to spew out content that is only interesting to you, then you're only going to get you liking your own picture. Also, if you do have a few engaged followers now, you want to appreciate them that much more. Make sure you respond back to them, comment on their post and their pictures, be engaged with their content, because you want to warm up that relationship that much more, because the more they trust and you build that relationship with them, there are more possibilities that they share your content. Another tip as to how you can get to know your audience is to actually go and ask them a few questions. Someone who's already engaged with your content, ask them a little bit more questions about themselves or what they're interested in, and that would help you a little bit more about what you can place on your Instagram feed that will actually engage people like that. But only be asking questions to your ideal audience and get to know who you actually want to target. If you don't know that, then you're going to have a Instagram feed of a whole bunch of people with different backgrounds, and your content will not engage with everyone, because you have attracted so many different people from so many different walks of life, because you don't know who your target audience is. You want to know what niche you're in, who you're going to attract, and from there you can find out how to attract them and then how to engage them. So Just Start gang, make sure you know your audience, because that's how you're going to have engaged audience once you are providing content that actually sparks an interest. Before I get to my next top tip, I'm going to actually be sharing with you 3 bonus tips in my Instagram Grow and Attract Facebook group. And in that group is really for exclusive female entrepreneurs that want to boost their business as a new or aspiring Christian online entrepreneur. So if you want to further understand how to increase your engagement within your followers right now, then be sure to access for free that Facebook group down in the description box below. And I give you a lot more tips and advice, as well as my Instagram Grow and Attract Guide, a full start to finish guide of how to increase your impact, your influence, even when no one knows who you are, how to make income by growing an Instagram following and marketing your products or services. So be sure to check out that Facebook group so you can have access to that guide. The next tip to increase your engagement on Instagram right now is to love your audience. Yes. No one's going to continuously contact you and continuously engage with you and continuously just love up on your account, especially as a new account or a new brand, if you're not showing them love. If you're just straight up putting them on red in DMs, if you never like or comment back to their posts, if you don't appreciate them for following, then you're not going to want to be engaged with you. You want to appreciate the people that are actually being engaged right now. Respond to comments, be interested in them, curious about their struggles, curious about their successes or victories. They don't want to feel like another business transaction. Build a relationship with them. Actually find out what makes them interested in your services. Get curious about that, because that can also help you with an upsell, to be honest with you, or that could also help you build a long-time relationship. It could also help you actually get a brand ambassador, someone who's actually going to share your content because you actually had a connection with them. Another bonus tip is to actually have some type of practical element on your Instagram that helps people to engage, like having captions on your videos. So in my next video, I'm going to share with you how I quickly and easily add caption to my IGTV videos. This has propelled my business immensely. I've seen triple the amount of views since I've added captions. So I definitely want to show you how I added captions, and I've also had a few followers ask me how to do it, so I'm going to make a video. So be sure to check that video next Friday. But in the meantime, check out these two videos if you want to learn how to be an impactful and influential online entrepreneur even when no one knows who you are. So just start, gang, keep sharing the good news and keep up the great work. I'll see you in my next video.